Hello, Internet Academy scholars. Mrs. Olson here. It is week 5 in first semester. September's NPR reports are available in the ALE app. You can find that on your Canvas dashboard. Did you check the box saying that you have viewed it? You want to do that. Many of you are doing a fantastic job staying consistent with your lessons and assignments. Keep up the good work. Always reach out to teachers if you need help or when you have questions. Don't hesitate. We are here for you. Okay, the quote for this week is by author and poet Emily Bronte, who wrote this line in a poem. She said, "Every leaf speaks bliss to me, fluttering from the autumn tree." Hope everyone is enjoying the start of fall, autumn, and the beautiful leaves and trees. Have a great week, everyone. Bye.